Gamer Squad? It's Gamer God here, back with another video. And today we're back on that Watch Dogs 2. Now, it's been a while because I've been uploading Life as a City Cop in the Last Marine a lot lately. Heads up, next episode will be the final, and I know it's gonna be hard. Probably the longest video. Probably like I'm gonna try to make it 40-50 minutes, but it's probably gonna be the longest video. And I shall be working on that tomorrow, maybe. And another upload of Life as a City Cop should be coming to y'all maybe tomorrow night. But we're back on this because we have not played this in a while. Look at the baby, man. I probably don't even remember how to play this game. But yeah, we're back on this Watch Dogs 2. Hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, Life as a City Cop should be uploaded tomorrow. This should be uploaded probably by 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna try to do it tomorrow. Cause I'm doing 2 gameplays. Record 2 videos tonight. Edit both of them. Hopefully I'll get Life as a City Cop tomorrow. But yeah, without further ado, let's get back into this video. And we're back. You can look at our boy Marcus and tell. Boy hasn't been playing this game in a while. I can't remember how to play it for real. But yeah, let's see what we got. Remember what cards we have. I don't really know what card I want to use. Let's go ahead and just let's go roll with a. Let's go ahead and roll with a. Let's go ahead and roll with this. Let's go ahead and roll with this. Where's the card at? Yep. Let's go ahead and roll with this. Let's go ahead and head down to a clothes shop. Let's go change our clothes. Get it started. I hope you guys are doing well. Cause I know I am. I'm doing well. Pretty good. Oh, this car do not handle well. This car does not handle well. But yeah, I think I'm gonna change to my. No, we can keep this little. We can keep this little car. Your boy. Yeah, I haven't been playing this game. I haven't been really up to date with it. So as you can see, let's get your boy dripped out. What shirt I got today? What shirt am I rocking with today? Matter of fact, let's go ahead on with the. Let's go ahead and match up with the. What we rocking with today? Let's rock with these shoes today. Hey, we can rock with the do-rag. See if we. That's strange. Alright. Alright, so what mission should we hit on today? Let's go with the. I need a mission. Up, there go the cops. Side mission, that's online. I need a main operation. Go ahead and track this mission down. Oh God, this car sucks. I'll get you to your place. What the? Why's my car being weird, dude? Ain't nobody online messing with my thing, is it? There go the cops. Let's head straight. I don't know why it got me going. My GPS got me going. Turning down streets. Maybe because of that, but I can go straight through an alley. Hold up. Now I can turn it. Man, this car is weak, dude. I'm not even kidding to you. This car is weak. Really weak. But yeah, I've been chilling mostly. I'm sorry I haven't really uploaded yet. My phone broke, so I couldn't really get the video I wanted to post last week. So I got a whole nother phone. I mean, I'm happy to be back, even though I was gone for like a day. That's still besides the point. Oh boy, you know what, man? I don't care. I really don't care. Let's go ahead and rock with this car. Go ahead, hand me my coupe. Do I have? I gotta figure out how to. Okay, nope, that's not the. First of all, let me see how many. Alright, that's how you get to it. let's go ahead and head to the mission. But yeah, I've been chilling. I've been really good. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing a lot of editing tonight. A lot of it, cause I gotta post this and I gotta get the other one posted tonight. So yeah, but I should, you know, we should be chilling. Hope you guys feeling good about yourselves. I definitely feeling good about myself. I know I'm feeling good. First video I'm gonna edit though. This is probably gonna be ooh, wrong way. At least this car handled well. Cause the last car didn't handle so well. I'm gonna pre-do some videos, so let's pull up in here.
911, please state the nature of your emergency.
Alright.
They're shooting! It's going down!
Alright.
Ready to rock it?
Yes, sir.
Y'all see the drip
By the
though.
way, nice paint job on the little guy.
Yeah.
Marcus look like Corey Kenton a little bit. I'm not gonna cap to you.
I think we're about to earn ourselves a vacation. Are you?
I always wanted to swim with dolphins. No, stingrays. Stingrays would be cool.
Oh, no, fuck that, dude. Those fuckers killed a crocodile hunter. You can't trust them. Yeah.
That's your one.
Rest in peace to the legend, man.
Dolphins it is.
Come on, Marcus. You can't trust them either.
Really? Why not?
I saw this documentary once. A theme park sets up overnight dolphin camps because people kept getting murdered. Sure enough, they end up with a grade A dolphin snuff video in the morning.
That sounds more like orcas.
No, dolphins, dude. Flippers, fins, blowholes, you know.
That is not the sound of a dolphin, dude. I don't know what you want.
How's it coming along, guys?
So far, we vetoed stingrays and orcas, but dolphins are still on the table.
Oh, no, they're not. Ugh.
Good call on the stingrays. Those killed the crocodile hunter.
Yo, I'm so confused right now. What are we talking about?
We're coordinating the angle adjustments needed to transfer.
Exactly. What are y'all on right now?
You need any help?
We're good.
What are y'all on? I don't know that good. I think today's probably gonna be a really good chill mission. Most likely. Ooh. Well, that wasn't chill. That was more of demonic. Not demonic, but well, not cool, bro. We building. Slow truck, man. The beautiful city of San Francisco. Oh no, literally, bro. We're going the closest to the base, ain't we? Well, that's gonna suck. Hope it's actually I think this is the mission where we actually do combat. We need to do combat. I need some combat. First mission we do combat is shit. Yep, it's combat.
I'm gonna hang out here. I'm allergic to tight spaces and shitty uniforms.
As you can see, I got me a new gun. Time to go catch this bag. All right, let's go.
I could call someone. Maybe it's someone.
All right.
homes, promising privacy, security, and convenience. Home is selling your habits. In fact, you pay a monthly subscription fee for the privilege of being sold to the highest bidder. It's time to wake up. Reclaim the value inherent in who you are. If you don't control that information, someone else will. You can pray our corporations treat you favorably, or you can take matters into your own hands. DedSec has given you the truth. Do what you will.
That was humiliating! Steven! You took a bad beat, buddy. It happens. You smart son of a bitch!
Fight!
No, you're doing this move, Steven.
Felt that.
You've had some monumental fuck-ups recently.
Boy, to that chop to the throat, didn't he?
Dude, I gave you the means to, be proactive with all that data. You screwed the pooch on fucking television, dude.
How's he so
He's
calm?
probably doing an auto-tune of your interview right now. Don't go near DedSec.
Is that PG?
It's my responsibility. All you need to do is figure out an apology to my lawyers for laying your hands on me. You gonna be okay? You gonna be okay? Say yes. There you go. We're gonna get your glass of water.
He knocked the vocal cord straight in your thing, boy. Well, that was a quick little mission to get back into the game. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit your boy with a thumbs up. If you're new and you enjoyed this video, hit your boy with a thumbs up button. Hit the thumbs up button as well. And hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. It's gonna be a little bell that pops up. Click that bell, hit that bell, punch that bell, notify you. And I got a new achievement. Hit that bell, click that bell, punch that bell, and notify you every time I make a new video. Gotta end this out with a peace. Peace. Don't hate with it.